Hey traders, what's up? Jamie Saettele here with SB Trade Desk. It's May 18th, 2017. US regular trading hour stock market just closed, and we are doing a quick update here on DXY US dollar index. So, recall, I guess it was a week ago, we did the video on DXY where, kind of had one of those epiphanies, right? Where I was like, man, what the hell is going on with the dollar? And really after the election, the first round of the French election, we had a big gap. Again, euro, big gap up. Um, and from that point, we kind of come to a realization that, you know what, I think this was a flat, right? ABC. And then scrolling out and looking at the broader view, what we had on our hands was potentially an A. This is, from the very beginning of the year, potentially an A, B, C. Now for this to be C, all right, it's got to be a 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If that's and again, it's a diagonal because it's overlapping. So if that is indeed the case, all right, it's important, it's critical because you can't. These are some of the rules that you just can't violate in in Elliott. Wave 3 can't be the shortest wave, and since wave 3, or what we're calling wave 3, is shorter than wave 1, right? You can see here, shorter than wave 1. Um, then what you have to have is wave 5 has to be shorter than wave 3. And in order for that to happen, you've got to have the dollar not trade, the DXY not trade below 97.24. So the low so far yesterday was 97.33. And we have turned up. So hopefully we have a better idea tomorrow on the weekly close. What the deal is, if indeed this is some sort of a low. Obviously, too, if we go into a 60-minute chart, go even shorter term, let's say that we turn up here and we unfold in an impulse. This could be right now 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we go higher, and to finish a third wave up. So you'd have 1, 2, 3. So if we get a clean 5 up, it really would add confidence to the interpretation that we do have a completed A, B, C, or at least have some sort of a decent low in place here. All right. But yeah, that's the key there is 97.24. On the weekly chart, here's the original trend line and last May low early in the month. We've come into a level on the slope that actually you'd look at as potentials. It's not super clean, right? Like the level, the parallel goes off the May 2015 low actually, but good deal of price action below it. In August 2015, the China reval crash, if you will. And from that point, it was really a jumbled mess, and then you had the election low just below there. So you do have support from this, method, if you will, too. And here is RSI on the weekly chart. We're at 40 on RSI, and again, the week's not over. It's Thursday night, but let's see what happens here tomorrow. If we can hold this on a weekly basis, 40, you can see it's a pretty big deal, right? I mean, ever since the low from 2011, which was the low in big low in DXY. The euro, as we know, the euro top it was 2008, but a lot of currencies did end up topping against the dollar in 2011. Commodity currencies, so on and so forth. So ever since that point, RSI for the most part has not really gone much below 40. In fact, it hasn't. It looks like 37 is about as low as you've gone. So this is a big decision point for the dollar, generally speaking, and we are getting several J spikes today on euro, on pound dollar, and well, I guess that's about it. DXY might have done one itself. It has. DXY's done one. Dollar Swiss, no. Dollar SEK, yes. So, yeah, we could be looking at a pretty decent, fairly important, maybe really important dollar low. Again, I will look to tomorrow's price action and see how things unfold off this low to really give us a sense, of the importance of the low. All right, but that is your quick DXY update, and I will have the post out here in just a little bit. All right, take care. Bye.